What is up, folks? Welcome back to the channel, TeeDogCustoms. In the last video, we had wrapped the fender and the front grille. And the front grille, I will probably try to redo at some point because in here, it is just, I did something wrong with these, and I don't know if I'm gonna do like inlays, but everything else looks really good as far as like the flat surfaces, but in there, there's still a lot to be desired. But in this video, I'm going to cover the tailgate. So I'm gonna take the tailgate off, excuse me. Then I'm going to move the Jeep back, and then we'll wrap just the tailgate probably tonight, because that's probably all I'll have time for. But what we are going to be doing is I am going to be sanding the tailgate down. Probably from here on out, I'm going to sand everything. I think that will give the best bond, and you know, that's just that. But everything else is holding up. It's been a couple days. If you'll notice, there's little divots right here. I hope that's picking up on the camera, but that is not due to like bubbles in the wrap or anything. That is underneath like this. So it's where there's paint missing, and you will be able to see it. Now, eventually I'm going to be getting some tubular front fenders, so that's why I'm not too worried about it. You know, that will be gone at some point. But let's go ahead and take this bumper off. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dark, but there's just 4 bolts, and the whole door comes right off. So we'll dive more into that once I get it off real quick. So we got this off, the tailgate, so I'm just gonna sand it all down, and we'll go from there. I've watched a couple people on YouTube wrap these. One person laid it down straight and then tried to maneuver it in here, and they had to keep poking holes in the wrap to let the air release. Now, I saw a professional do it, and he started up at the top and worked it down, and then went to, you know, this level, and then worked it in around here, and then pulled the wrap the rest of the way down. So that's definitely the way I'm going to try it. So we'll start at the top and just kind of you know, work our way down. We'll have to work in here, and then you know the deal the rest of the way. I have my I've got my piece cut. Let's make sure I got the right size. Yep. Okie dokie. Let's see. I think I actually had it this way. Again, guys, as last video, I ran out of battery in my GoPro while I was doing the work, and I didn't realize it. So, apologize for that. But I got the thing all assembled, and there it is. So, looks pretty good, not bad. In the last video, I mentioned something about like knocking the easy stuff out first. These are considered the hard pieces. I kind of just was talking, but for any of those out there, where all the angles are, the curves, so the tailgate, this right here, because it's got a 2-angled kind of deal, and then the front grille by far was the hardest. So, all that being said, we've got the hard parts knocked out, the tailgate and the grille and fenders. So the rest is all flat panels. So this, and then we've got this section and that. I don't know if I'll run it to here and then run this and then have a seam here and then run a little strip here and then do the same thing. I just don't know. I'm thinking probably I'll have a seam here and then all this will be one piece, and then we'll have this. We'll try to do this and this piece right here, and then I may just do a piece here, a piece up top, and then run a piece down the sides, and then one big one for the hood. So that's kind of the plan. What's up, guys? I forgot to video an outro to this video. I am going to cut the video off after this one clip so I can, because it's probably going to be a little while before I can finish wrapping the rest of the vehicle. So I'll get this clip out there. It was pretty short, but it is hopefully helpful. And pretty soon we'll have another video out on wrapping the rest of the Jeep. But until then, stay tuned, and please comment if you have any questions, and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, I'll catch you guys in the next upload. Keep grinding as always. Peace.